Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a group on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you want to create your own group, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to open your browser here and just open browser. If you're using your Facebook in your browser, if you're using Facebook in your app, so the browsers might be pretty the same for both. And here, just click on this. That's your friends tab, or you can directly go to groups from here. Click on groups. Sometimes you might get groups in this section. Select groups here and just click on create new group, and here you can enter your group name. So let's say I'm gonna enter friends, for example, here, and then you can select your privacy. I'm gonna select public, then select create. Now once you have done, your group will be created. You can also add a profile photo or other description in your group. So once I've done this, you can click on this invite button and invite with friends. Now you can select your multiple friends to add them to your group. So let's say I'm gonna add some friends here and then click send invites. So the invitation will be sent to your friends. And so once they accepted the invitation, you might see them here in member session. You can see how much members you have in your group. So using this way, you can easily create and manage a Facebook group. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.